Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers, and we're so excited because we're just about ready to get on a plane and head over to Italy and start shopping for properties for you. And you're so excited because you're already buying properties over there and we haven't even gotten there yet. But I do want to tell you that one of the most important things you can do for yourself and to help us help you is to take our online course. It will set you up perfectly for what you're trying to do and alert you to where the holes are so you don't fall in them. Anyway, the details are below, and I'll see you soon. Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I wanted to show you something not hardly Italy related, but it's definitely property related. One of the things that Pete and I like to do on occasion is get a property and renovate it. And we've done this many, many times. We work with a really fabulous team and with our best friend, realtor, house stager extraordinaire, Lisa Gault. So I wanted to show you what we've done. This was a 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo in San Jose, California. And it was in okay shape, but the bathroom was pretty trashed. And the kitchen was pretty trashed, to be honest with you. And I'll go over what we did there. So for now, I want to flip this thing around here and show you exactly what it looks like. So here's the big reveal for our Cape property in San Jose. If you're interested, drop me a line. We're going to be putting it on the market very, very soon. Okay, as you can see, we put in some beautiful hardwood floors here and had the whole place painted and the glass for the windows replaced. There was a really nasty film on the glass. And it was so hard to get off, and it was starting to peel. It just looked really nasty. You couldn't even see out the windows. So we went, okay, how can we do this? The HOA wanted 60 days to approve new windows, and we went, oh, forget it. It's going to be on the market by then. And we broke one of the glass panes, and we thought, oh, this is a boon. So we just replaced the glass in the windows, which is totally fine. So we did that, and you can see out the window, as you can see. The unit itself has a really nice little metal awning over the top, and that's really nice in summer because it can get pretty warm. Here is the living room, and you can see it's quite spacious. Now the kitchen was one of those old 70s kitchens. I was going to see if I could salvage the cabinets, but I pulled out the drawers and there was all this sawdust in there. I was like, oh no. And I think it was rubbing wrong or something. It was just falling apart. And we went, okay, let's just trash these hideous cabinets and get some new ones. We had to kind of go a little more high end than we thought. I'm going to show you these beautiful cabinets. Look at them. We had to go higher end than I thought because we actually had to order them and get them in a quick amount of time. We only had 3 weeks to get this flip done. So as you can see, what happened here was there used to be a breakfast bar that kind of came up here, right? It sort of popped up and then everything was behind it. And we thought, you know, we don't like that. There was not enough room in the living room for an actual breakfast bar. And so we had to finish the back of the cabinets somehow. And the guy at the cabinet store said, what about these shallow, 12-inch cabinets that you can put on? It will finish off the look and give you more storage. And you can see they're just gorgeous. You've got all kinds of storage here that you wouldn't ordinarily have in another kitchen. We also flattened out the countertop so it doesn't pop up anymore. And now you have tons of room for all your magnificent cooking. If you want to make pasta, it's a great place. Plus, we removed the top layer of cabinets and put in this stove hood. So it just opens the space up so much more. Now again, we have more storage down here than we even had in those cabinets, and those cabinets were too hard to reach and everything else. So that worked out great. Again, here we are in the dining room area. The windows, you can see through them. We love that. Here is the kitchen, and it is stunning. We did all new appliances. We did a countertop countertop cook surface. And what I love is I found these beautiful subway tiles at the Lowe's, believe it or not, and they weren't that expensive. And oh my gosh, they came out so pretty. Our tile guy did such a beautiful job. And this is quartz that we got from the quartz place, and he finished it for us. We put in, of course, a new sink, which is really big and deep, and I love it. New glass for the windows there. Another cabinet there, and then the fridge is here, and then they have, the reason that I wasn't worried about storage is because there's this massive pantry here. The thing is just floor to ceiling, and you can fit all of your stuff in there. So that's actually a really nice deal to have. And everything's all painted and like brand new. Oh, and wait till you see the floor. Oh, this floor. It's like a faux marble, but it's ceramic, super durable, super easy to clean. Light colored grout that just pulls it all together. It's lovely, 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 lovely. Okay, here's the unit from another angle. I just can't get over that kitchen. Okay, down the hall. Lisa's been here. By the way, Lisa Gault, realtor extraordinary in San Jose, California, and all in the Bay Area. Free staging, folks, free staging. That's one of her pieces. I'm gonna do a video after she stages. Here's the first bedroom. Very big. Just kind of a normal bedroom. Boom, 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 boom. Nice floors. They redid all the baseboards. Everything's new. We've got another closet here. They painted everything. It's all lovely. New doorknobs. Everything modern. Another bedroom is the master. Quite big. And big closets. So here's the bathroom, and you can see, let me tell you about the bathroom, because what they had done before we bought this place was they had put lipstick on a pig, basically. The floor was just glued down. There was no backer board underneath the tile, so of course it came right up, and then it was glued down over and over. There was no grout. It was just horrible. And then the sink area thing was kind of falling apart. It just wasn't real nice. In the bathroom, the bathtub was the biggest problem. And the problem with the bathtub was, again, they just glued the tile right onto the wallboard. We could tell because I looked at all of that buildup of nasty stuff in there, and I went, okay, there's no way that this was done right. And I was right. He pulled off the back of the, he pulled off the tile, and he pulled off the wallboard, and he went in and handled all the water damage that was underneath and on the sides and everything. We put in all new stuff, new tub, new quartz surround, which is absolutely gorgeous, and I love it because it's so easy to clean. You know, new hardware and new shower, the big rain shower, which we love, and you know, just everything new. The toilet is new, and then this beautiful little cabinet. So that is the renovated apartment in San Jose. So as you guys purchase your properties with an eye toward renovations and things like that, you know, I have little tips and tricks about design. We picked out all of these finishes ourselves. They really go well together. The colors, but they definitely complement each other, and there's tricks on that too. So we can, as we go through and I show you some of the designs that we do in Italy, you're gonna see some of that come together too. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this cute little flip, and let me know if you know anybody who wants it. It's in a wonderful location off of Almaden Expressway and 87. So everything is right close by. The freeway is close by. All the shops and stores are close by, and this is a nice complex with a lot of families. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and write me, let me know what you think, and I will probably be talking to you very soon from Italy. Bye guys.